So far then, we've managed to configure the SMDR on the Panasonic PBX, we've installed the call suite software, and we've configured the call suite collector. So the next step is to license the software. In order to license the software, you'll need the license serial number, which you should have been provided with when you bought the software. You'll then need to use the computer ID generator to create a unique computer ID, and this will lock the license onto the actual server computer that you're using. You then need to go to our website at www.KelmarSoftware.com, where you'll be able to register the license, download an activated license, and finally use the license manager application in order to install a license. So I'll show you how to do that right now. Just go to the Windows menu, All Programs, Kelmar Software Solutions, and click on Computer ID Generator. This will provide you with a unique computer ID for this particular PC, and when we install the license, this will lock the license to this particular PC. Okay, so that's the computer ID taken care of. Just a note to remember is that that computer ID must be for the actual server that you've installed the KSS call suite on. Next, you need to go to the Kelmar Software website. That's www.kelmar-software.com. And from this website, we're going to go to the support area, and we're going to select the license registration. So select register your license, and what we're going to do now is we're going to put in the computer ID that you just generated along with the license serial number and some information about the user and the organization, and that will then generate a license for us which we can download and install on the system. Okay, so first thing then is we'll pop in some information regarding yourselves, so user and organization. And now we'll just paste in the license serial number, or you might have to type it in. And going back to the computer ID generator, we can now copy and paste the computer ID into the web page. Once we're happy with that, then we just click the Activate License button, and that will then give us the option of downloading and saving the license file. So select Save File, click OK. So that downloads our file, which we'll just drag onto the desktop. We're going to be using that in a second. I'll just tidy up one or two of the other windows. And now we're going to go ahead and install the license using the KSS License Manager. So All Programs, Kelmar Software Solutions, KSS Call Suite, down to the bottom there, License Manager. And now we just load up that file that we dragged onto the desktop. The license file is there. Gives us a bit of information about what's in the license, and then basically we just click the install button. If it's installed correctly, then you'll get some confirmation. And that will tell you the license has been locked to the computer. So you can close off the license manager, and the call suite should now be ready to go.